How to create product mockups for your Shopify store on Fiverr. No design skills needed. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you're looking to build your own product mockups, then no longer do you have to fret about trying to find a professional tool that can build DIY mockups out of nowhere. Instead, you can now head on over into Fiverr where there are several seasoned experts and professionals that are going to make hyper-realistic mockups that are going to ensure that your product sells. So if you have a product image like this and you want to convert it to an image which actually displays the model wearing your product, you can head on over into Fiverr and search for mockups. There are several different mockup designers that specialize in different niches, and they are able to create realistic mockups that look very real, even if you have different types of products, whether it is clothing, skincare, home decor, or anything else. So these professionals are able to ensure the lighting looks realistic and they are able to build your own tailored mockups so it doesn't look generic and it doesn't look like you copied it off of someone else. So if you want professional product mockups, click the Fiverr link in the description to hire a designer today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.